it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am excited to be here with a super quick and easy holiday card, and this is using some of the new scrapbook.com cut files. So the ones that I am showing you are from the 'Tis the Season collection, which is one of the new ones. And the really cool thing about the scrapbook.com cut file sets is that they come already like ready to go. So they come for cards, for traveler's notebooks, for planners, and for scrapbook pages. So you get all of those different sizes and formats, and then you can mix and match and interchange them as well. And so what I am doing is I am taking one of the card bases that has all of these little trees. And so I cut it out on my silhouette, and I'm using it as a stencil to just ink through. So I am going to ink all the way around this entire card base, and it's going to make all these little trees and snow-like dots black on white cardstock. And I really like kind of that simplicity of black and white. And so that's kind of the idea I'm playing around with. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim it down a little bit around the edges, and then I'm going to mount it on some black cardstock before I put it on my card base. So that's going to give that nice kind of contrast around the edge and really make those black trees kind of pop. And then what I have done is I have taken one of the scrapbooking title cut files, which says 'Tis the Season, and I cut it out on my silhouette with white cardstock for the outline, and then I cut just the background with red glitter paper. And that also cut perfectly on my silhouette. And so that gives me kind of this two-tone look. So I can have the white outline on top of this bright pop of red glitter, which is so super fun. And that's going to make this come together really, really quickly. So then all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue that big title across my card front. And I went ahead and just kind of sized it the way I thought would fit well in the silhouette. And it still cut all of the details just like it would if it was a scrapbooking title. So you can definitely kind of mix and match the different sizes of cut files that come in this particular bundle. And then all I am doing is I'm going to go ahead and glue some of these little red, they're almost like gemstone hearts. And I'm just scattering them throughout the front of my card just because I wanted to give it a little bit more interest, and then I really like that pop of red along with the black and white. So I'm just randomly kind of putting a few of those. And then what you're going to see me do, and this next step you completely would not have to do. So you can totally stop there. You have a really adorable card. It's got that pop of glitter, some black and white, really, really cute. I'm going to go ahead and attach it to my card base, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some detail on the inside of my card as well. And so this is that part where you really wouldn't have to do this, but you totally could. So I'm going to pull out that piece of cardstock I used as my template, and I'm just going to rub some more black ink just in that bottom right-hand corner. And it's going to give me just a few trees, kind of pulling in that detail from the front cover to the inside corner of my card. And I'm just kind of making sure that I have them black enough, and I like kind of the way it goes diagonally across the page. And then I'm also going to go ahead and add just a few of those little red hearts here on the inside. You also would totally not have to do that. It would also look really cute if you had like some red glitter washi tape. You could put a little strip of that, or anything you wanted to just kind of keep that color scheme of the red, white, and black consistent throughout the inside of your card as well. And that is basically going to do it. So this is a super quick and easy way to use those cut files to create a really cute holiday card if you need something to go with a gift or to send to a family member or a friend, and it comes together really, really quickly. I hope you enjoyed. Do make sure you click down below so that you can pick up this bundle of cut files from scrapbook.com, and I'll see you soon. Bye!